Bitcoin hits an all-time high, but gold said hold your horses, topping $4,000 an ounce. And that's because inflation is expected to rise with more rate cuts to come. You print more dollars, people hedge more into gold. 27 trillion is the market cap of gold, adding over 4 trillion in just this week alone. That's the total market cap of all cryptocurrency, which means by comparison, a 2.4 trillion market cap of Bitcoin can see a 10x, which would mean a 1.2 million Bitcoin to just catch up with gold. Bitcoin does trail gold an average of 8 weeks time, so there's definitely more upside for Bitcoin before the end of the year. 175K, I'm looking at you. The traditional market said enough is enough. We want in on this game. The S&P index launches a new one called the S&P Digital Markets 50. This blends 15 specific cryptocurrencies alongside 35 crypto-related stock companies. If SpaceX is one of them, I'm buying because it holds Bitcoin in its balance sheets. It's the best of both worlds. Talking about a stock exchange, the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange invested over $2 billion into Polymarket, valuating at close to $9 billion. TradFi wants in, and we're just letting them in. Everyone come in. We'll take all your money. We love prediction markets here, and we've been talking about the Marriott prediction market that is going to launch a token, which just announced that they're going to convert their RUG token into Marriott token. So for those who got in, congrats to you guys. We haven't talked about Trump lately, but the Trump meme coin is still hitting headlines. They're looking to develop a digital asset treasury with $200 million backing it. I wouldn't touch this with a 100-feet pole, but I just wanted to dump some Trump news in today's market update. Jokes aside, the meme coin world is still popping up, but on another chain, which I'll talk about. But really where the trend is in platforms, prediction markets, perps, not really on memes so far. Monad, a new L1, is trading at a pre-market valuation of $15 billion, which is quite high, but that's a small sample size. Really, who cares about Monad when Binance season is here? Binance has been rocketing recently. The chart looks like a rocket straight to the top. Since he's come out of prison, he's just been going on a rampage in a good way. From Aster to perps to stable coins, now meme coin season, like I mentioned, wasn't hot in other platforms, but it is hot in Binance. Over 70% of the traders are up. That's an astounding number. I wouldn't just go jumping in on everything, but I guess you could because you're likely to hit 70% at a time. Like this one, Binance Life in Chinese just hit 300 million in 3 days. People are just buying anything and everything. But we do dive a little bit deeper into this with our private community because there are clear winners that are going to stay after these dust settles. We've seen Binance season before, but this time feels a little bit different with platform plays like Aster, like I mentioned. If you watched this far, then we'll give you an update on the NFT strategy, starting with Punk strategy, which we caught at 20 million and hit a $200 million top. It has since corrected to 130 million because of some exploits on its Goblin Town strategy. However, its new strategies are doing quite well. Checks launched today to 2,000% growth, not too bad. Max Payne strategy, which we kind of love, we love Xcopy, is still holding strong. We caught this around 900,000, still about around $2.3 million, which is a 2x. Rightfully so, because Xcopy just sold a $2.6 million NFT, smashing its previous records. Not to mention, you could go into their Discord and have a 2 to 4% chance of winning a $10,000 NFT just from entering raffles. That's crazy. Only in the world of crypto can you win a $10,000 NFT for clicking a button. But not uncommon if you know where to look, and we do know where to look because the airdrop season is upon us. Q4 is going to be massive, and that money's going to rotate. It's not going away. If you want in on that airdrop list and know where the money's heading, make sure to follow us. Subscribe because we have 3 market updates on your weekly podcast, amazing guests for you guys, and a rundown show. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you guys on the next one.